Hey guys, so for today's video, I have created a chess game in Scratch, and this is the easiest and the fastest way possible that I know. So the first step that you want to do is you want to prepare all your sprites. Let's just say you prepare all the chess pieces right here under one sprite, all right? So you also have the squares for the board, of course. Next is we're going to be going to the code. So the first code is going to be for the board. So when the green flag is clicked, you want to go to x-axis and y-axis. That's going to be all in negative 140. Then switch custom to black, show, then have a repeat block, then another repeat block inside the repeat block that we just got. So create a clone of myself, change x by 40, next costume, then another set x to negative 140, then change y by 40, the next costume, then hide, then broadcast, create pieces. So remember, you got to create a new message here to write this one. So we're going to be going to the pieces. This is the part where it gets a little bit crazy. So first, when I receive create pieces, the broadcast before the board. So you want to go to x negative 140, y negative 140, then switch costume to white rook for the pieces. Then show, then repeat 8 times, create a clone of yourself, change x by 40, next costume, then another command, go to x negative 140, then y negative 100, then repeat 8, create a clone of myself, change x by 40, then we're going to be changing direction again. So go to x negative 140, then y positive 140, and then switch costume to black rook because we're going to be inputting these pieces up here. So repeat 8 times, create a clone of myself, change x by 40, next costume, go to x negative 140, then y positive 100, repeat 8 times, create a clone of myself, change x by 40, then hide. Then when I start as clone, set mode draggable. So this is the proof that this works. As you can see, I can play it in here, or let's just do full screen. All right, so I can play it in here. So that's the easiest way and the fastest way to create your own chess game in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your boy Josh of Basic Value. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.